Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming access. Make sure your mailbox is on Exchange and you can reach Outlook. Office, com or your company OWA. Once signed in, make sure you're not blocked by an extension. Disable ad blockers briefly. Now open settings from the gear icon in the top right. This is the control hub. You're taking these steps because classic view toggles are per user and depend on server-side features. So authenticate and stabilize your browser before changing interface options. Next, navigate settings and choose View All Outlook settings if you see it, otherwise use Quick Settings. Once in, go to Mail then Layout or Display because Microsoft moves the toggle between builds. You're hunting for Try the Classic Outlook or use Outlook Classic option. If present, it's a single switch. Flip it to Classic and apply changes. This changes client-side rendering. The reason is backward compatibility with add-ins and user workflows that rely on the older UI. Finally, click Save or OK and reload the mailbox to load Classic View. If the interface doesn't change, make sure to clear cache or open a private window and sign in again to rule out cache scripts. If you don't see the toggle at all, contact your IT admin because tenant policies can disable Classic mode. One troubleshooting tip: if Classic fails intermittently, check for Exchange feature updates or browser extensions. Disabling extensions and retrying often resolves rendering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.